So a big warm welcome out to everybody. Welcome back here once again. It's noontime Eastern time right now. We are just finishing up a challenging day here in Live Trade Room. I will definitely not say it was an easy day. It was definitely a challenging day today. And one of the biggest challenges was we did everything right today. Did everything right for the most part. Put together our plan. We then went and traded our plan. But one thing that happened this morning, though, was the market personality never really gave us a lot of confidence. It really was a sloppy day today across the board. Fast Tracks made some great money today, even after we took a first trade loss in the Fast Track. It was a first trade Fast Track loss, and then second trade winner, third trade winner, and then this in the Russell is your fourth trade winner. We called this Russell trade a while ago. Here was Russell trade here. And we gave you guys entries at 5.9, targets at 5 even, targets at 4 even. You should be right around that 4 even to get that target filled for your second target now. And then you've got alternative targets at 3 and 1.6. I would try your best, though, to hold all the way down to the low of day now. There you go. Second target filled in that Fast Track. Great job, everybody. Great job. This now is the fourth trade we've called live in real time, giving everyone the chance, members and guests, the opportunity to trade right along with me. And it was tough because the first trade today on crude oil was a loss. The first Fast Track was a loss. It was a poor call on my part. It wasn't a bad trade. It was a bad call on my part. So I really can't do anything more besides point the finger at myself in that first trade loss. That's what it means to be a day trader, guys, taking full responsibility for my actions. I'm the one that pulls the trigger. Now, before we talk about the trades today, guys, don't forget, please be careful with your risk capital. There is risk out there in these markets, so please be careful with that risk capital. Take some time, attend training. When you go attend our members-only trainings, we're going to teach you on all this stuff. You know, great example. I had a guest this morning. This is a great example. A guest this morning came in and said, man, I took the first trade, was a loss, and then because I was scared, I didn't take the second, third, and fourth trades, which were all big winners. Frustrating. And my exact words were to this guest this morning, it's because you're not trained on this. If you had gone to training and sat through training, you would have heard me say over and over again exactly how to trade the Fast Track. And one of the most important things we talk about when it comes to trading our Fast Track method is to take every single pattern. We need to remember to build good trading habits. I cannot let fear do the trading for me. So yeah, took a trade, first trade of the day, was a loss. Don't let that spook you out of the rest of your day. Get back on that horse, look for that next high percentage trade. I called 3 more today, and those 3 more were winners. Now, big clues today. Big clues today, guys. So now you know there's risk out there. Now you know be careful with the risk capital. Big clues today. The big clues we got today were from the news. There was no major news. From the dollar, no dollar personality. And everything else, no dollar personality. No personality across the board anywhere today. On crude oil today, we had one goal, buy those lows. I did it 3 times. 1 was a loss, 2 were winners. Okay? We bought the lows of, there was a wedge here. This used to be a price wedge. It's been violated now. 3 trades on crude, buying the lows on all 3 of them. First was a loss, second was a winner, third was a winner. Over on the Russell. Russell was a great day for us today. We continue to have remarkable days on the Russell. Again, don't say I didn't warn you about this short trade on the Russell today. Right now on the Russell, I gave you guys the exact entry, the exact stop, and the exact target. All you had to do was put your limit order on short and put that final target at 60.5. See what I said, guys? All I got to do is just get out of the trade. Once I got out of that Russell trade short, that's all it took. The rest of us could profit from it. Incredible. Incredible. This has been a wonderful day on the Russell. The Russell gave us a really big clue in the previous high of day. That thick yellow line right there is the previous high of day. And the previous high of day, we talked about this at 7:30 this morning. I know, right? Yeah, who's going to be, can I get tip on the way out, please? Take that profit off the low of day, guys. Low of day is where it's going.